Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you this cool little feature inside of TickTick that will enable you to not do a task in TickTick, but sort of kind of hide it in a way. So let me explain. So as you see here, I have this Start Chevrolet Trailblazer. If you right click on it, there is this little thing called Won't Do. If I click that, then it disappears out of my Today view. It's no longer in my Calendar view as well. However, if you go back to the Task view, you will see this cool little thing here called Won't Do. And so let's say, for instance, you accidentally click that and you're like, where the heck did my task go? I didn't mean to do that. Well, you can always go to your Won't Do down here by the trash and right click on it and hit reopen. That will put it back into the Today view or whatever view it was that you took it out of. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope you all enjoyed this little quick tip. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. If you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week. And I'll catch you next episode. Take care.